So there is news in town that WhatsApp now allows people to have usernames. So instead of giving away phone number now, you can now, give people your username to add you. They don't need to have access to your phone number anymore. I think that's a really good feature, but how do you get your username as soon as possible? I am going to be showing you in this video. It's one of the features that is being released in 2026, mid 2026, alongside this subscription feature. So the subscription feature is the new feature that came out that pretty much now allows you to, basically just get some more stickers and emojis and all of that. I don't think anybody should be using this subscription feature, paying for it. It's pointless in my opinion, but if you want to try it out, go ahead. In this video, I want to quickly show you how to, of course, reserve your username or get your username for WhatsApp, so you can give people, you no longer have to give people your phone number when you want them to chat you up or reach out to you on WhatsApp. So to do this, to get your username, come to your settings on WhatsApp like this. This is my WhatsApp, this is my settings. Click on account. Once you click on account, you see these many ways to prevent people from breaking into your account, like the two-step verification, email, passkey, and co. What you want to click on is username. Once you click on username, if you haven't reserved the username before, you see something like this. So it tells you that usernames are coming soon. In some countries, it's already a thing. In some countries, it's coming soon. So what you want to use is a name that you want people to add you by, pretty much. But of course, you can also click on use Instagram username. If you use Instagram username, it means that you'll be connecting your WhatsApp to your Instagram in a way so that it pulls the username. You can also use your Facebook username by connecting your Facebook and your WhatsApp together. And if you want to create a new username, you can just click on this create username and type in the username that you want to create. The username I want to create is I am Magnus one, because this is basically my username everywhere. Everyone knows this, right? But another thing you would also notice is if you try using someone else's name, like say for example, let's say Davido, for example. Let's say Davido, it will tell you that it does not exist. If this is your Instagram username, log into your Instagram and add your account to the same. So basically, this is how it prevents people from stealing other people's username, because it says if this is really your username, go and log into your Instagram, right, to fetch it. So I'm gonna use my actual name, but again, don't forget, we can just come to back here and use Instagram. If you click on Instagram, you can connect with Instagram and to pull your Instagram username. So I am going to just go ahead and use my Instagram username anyway. So click on next, then it loads account center and it asks you to just verify that it's you and all of that. So click on continue and you follow the prompt. So it will basically connect all your Meta accounts in a sense together, or to basically authenticate everything together. So this whole thing is happening through Instagram, through Facebook and co, whatever app you have installed. So it just reserved for me and I'm just going to click on done. That's it. So this is my username now. Here I can also set who can contact me. I can change it to people who know my key. The key part gives you a 4-digit number that that you can also change, right, to get people to contact you or add you up, pretty much. So that's it. That's pretty much it. I like this. It's very private. People no longer have access to your phone number, and I think it's a beautiful thing in a sense. So that's it. That's pretty much it. Now I'm going to go ahead and wait for them to enable everything, because it still says coming soon. And of course, let me know if you have questions, and don't forget to like this video and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Bye.